Hello students, how are you? Hope all of you well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also well. Due to COVID-19, we couldn't take regular class long time, but we need to continue our study. That's why we are here today to continue our online class. Hope all of you enjoy our online class. Today I am going to solve the problem from exercise 4.2. Read the question attentively. Here given a square minus 3a plus 1 equals 0. Question number A, find the value of a plus 1 by a. Question number B, prove that a to the power 4 plus 1 by a to the power 4 equal 47. Question number C, determine the value of a to the power 6 minus 1 divided by a cube. First, we solve the question number A. From question number A, we see that we have to find out the value of a plus 1 by a. Now, given a square minus 3a plus 1 equal 0. Given a square minus 3a plus 1 equal 0. Now a square plus 1 equal thrice a. Now we divide in both sides by a. Now we have a plus 1 by a equal 3. That means the value of a plus 1 by a equal 3. Now we are going to solve the problem number B. Problem number B, we have to prove that a to the power 4 plus 1 by a to the power 4 equal to 47. From A, we get a plus 1 by a equal 3. Now, left hand side equal 8 to the power 4 plus 1 by 8 to the power 4. Now here we apply the formula a square plus b square equal to a plus b whole square minus 2ab. Now square plus a square minus 2. Now a square plus 1 by a square whole square minus 2 12. We again apply the formula square plus b square equal to a plus b whole square minus 2ab. Putting a plus 1 by a equal 3. Now we calculate the equation. So left hand side equal right hand side. So hope you are understand this question. Now I am going to solve the problem number C. In question number C, we have to determine the value of a to the power 6 minus 1 divided by a cube. From a we get a plus 1 by a equal 3. Now we know We know a minus 1 by a whole square equal to a plus 1 by a whole square minus 4 into a into 1 by a. Here we apply the formula. Apply the formula a minus b whole square equal to a plus b whole square minus 4ab. So a minus 1 by a whole square equal to 3 square minus 4, since a plus 1 by a equal 3. So a minus 1 by a equal root 5. Now a to the power 6 minus 1 by a cube equal a to the power 6 divided by a cube minus 1 by a cube. That means a cube minus 1 by a cube. Now here we can apply the formula. Now we putting the value of a minus 1 by a, that means root 5. That means eight root 5. That means the value of a to the power 6 minus 1 divided by a cube equal 8 root 5. I hope all of you understand this question. Today we are going to end this class here. Hope all of you enjoy my online class. Be safe and be healthy. আল্লাহ হাফিজ।